We've been running Nerd Fitness online coaching for over 5 years now, helping thousands and thousands of different people smash their fitness and nutrition goals. Now, we've learned a lot during that time, including what changes make the biggest impact. Changes that actually work with real people leading busy lives, not just hypothetical advice that's never been tested. So if you're tired of trying and failing to change your health goals, here are the top 5 nutritional habits that we have seen work again and again. Tip 1, prioritize protein. No matter what our goals, we'll want to include a source of protein with most meals and snacks. This helps us hold on to muscle when we're reducing calories and provides the building blocks for more muscle when we are increasing calories. It's what our most successful clients, like Sarah, did with absolutely amazing results. She had a full-time job and was a new mom too, and just completely crushed it. So way to go, Sarah. Give her a shout out in the comments below. Also, check out our protein calculator article for more guidelines on protein, plus a list of really good protein sources, including vegan ones. Tip 2, eat fruits and vegetables. So it turns out your mother was right. Eating your vegetables is important. Eating fruits and veggies not only provides us with a ton of nutrients, but they also fill us up with fewer calories. So if you're looking to lose weight, it's satisfying to be able to feel full, and getting in more fruits and veggies will get you there. Look to get them in at least 2 to 3 times a day to start, and an easy way to do this is just to aim to get a fruit or veggie in with every meal. It's what clients like Brian did to curb hunger and hit his weight loss goals, losing 75 pounds while working around an old back injury. Give him a huge thumbs up. Now, I can hear you already, Stacy, I hate vegetables. How they're prepared can make a huge difference in how they taste. So we've got an article on 10 different ways to make veggies taste good. Give it a read and try out some of the suggestions. Tip 3, plan ahead. Planning ahead sounds like a lot of work, but actually planning ahead is simply just knowing what we're going to eat for the next few meals. It takes the surprise and guesswork out of healthy eating so that you're not left scrambling and grabbing unhealthy options. Now, you may still have days when the plan goes out the window, and that's okay. It's still better to have created the plan to begin with. Our most successful clients often take this a step further and bulk cook several meals at a time. Like Mark, who planned and prepped his meals on the weekend. He said that it helped make his life easier during the following week and removed some of the temptation for impulse food buying. And yes, I'm going to ask you to give Mark a virtual fist bump as well, because he definitely deserves it. And if you don't like cooking, you can often purchase pre-made healthy meals in your area, or even order some healthy catering options to do the cooking for you. Whatever method you choose, look to plan ahead for success. Tip 4, don't cut out any food. So as soon as people look to get in shape, they think that they'll need to eliminate certain foods forever. Completely eliminating something almost always proves unsustainable, and we'll see people swing back hard in the other way. Anyone who wants to yo-yo in weight, or who wants to constantly feel like there's a battle between the foods they love and our goals. I think everyone would rather just have a change, make it, and have it stick. So we want to still enjoy the higher calorie, lower nutrient foods that we love, but reduce the amount and or frequency of them. Clients like Emily still bake cookies on occasion, but she's now lost over 100 pounds. Y'all know what to do in the comments below. Tip 5, start small and go slow. So it's also common when people look to get in shape to do all the things. Now, while that enthusiasm is commendable, studies have shown that success with habit change starts dropping off sharply as soon as you start to add more and more things to your list. So instead, start small and easy, working on something that you can consistently do. Work each new habit for several weeks before taking on another. This allows each new habit to become automatic before we add to it. This slow and steady pace is what works for so many of our clients, like Sarah. She said, I always assumed it would be difficult to lose weight, that it would mean giving up all good food and sacrificing my free time, that I'd just have to suffer through it. But Coach Carrie really focused on working together to implement small changes slowly over time, so it never felt like I was drastically changing anything. And this was all done while Sarah was working a demanding nurse's schedule. Absolutely amazing. Give her a virtual high five below as well. There you go. 5 tips we've seen work again and again with our clients. Now, they might not sound mind-blowing, but they don't need to be. They just need to work. These are solid techniques that help you go from feeling confused and helpless in your fitness journey to feeling strong and empowered. And honestly, they're tips that I use myself. Which one are you gonna start with? Let us know, and all the best to you and your training.